share this video on how I got this curly hairstyle using my perm rods that I ordered just off of Amazon. It's a really great way to wear your hair curly, especially if you don't have a very defined curl pattern. Keep in mind it does really shrink the length of your hair, but I really like it. I think it's really cute, and it's just going to get bigger and fluffier and loosen up and look better over time. But yeah, my hair is super duper soft and defined, and this is a style that I used to do all the time, but I haven't done it recently. But since I ordered my perm rods on Amazon and they got here, I decided to film a video for you guys showing exactly how I achieve this hairstyle. You can fluff it out however you want. I decided to do a side part. That's kind of just how I like to wear my hair when it's curly like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys. Hey guys, so I have already washed and conditioned my hair, and I currently have a deep conditioner in it. I wanted to show you my current shampoo and conditioner that I'm using. So right now I am using the Keratin Anti-Frizz Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. I just got these, I think these are like the liter sizes. I got them from TJ Maxx. I always get my shampoo and conditioner from TJ Maxx because I feel like it's just cheaper. I'm not very particular when it comes to shampoo or a conditioner. I just want my shampoo to clarify and clean my hair, and then I want my conditioner to be able to detangle and smooth my hair. So I usually just get my shampoo and conditioner from TJ Maxx. I know a lot of people do that, and these liter sizes were like $12.99 each, which I thought was great because they last for a very, very long time, and I use a lot of conditioner in my hair because that's how I detangle my hair. So I did my shampoo, I did my conditioner, and I detangled my hair with a wide tooth comb. Show you the wide tooth comb that I use. So this is a really good wide tooth comb that I got from the beauty supply store. I love this because this is just one piece of plastic, so your hair doesn't get caught or anything like that. So I really, really love that. So this is how I detangle my hair. And then right now I have the Amika Nourishing Mask, and I got this also from TJ Maxx. I've used this before and really like it. I got this huge thing for $15, and this has sea buckthorn berry in it. It's a repairing nourishing mask, so I have that in right now. I just wanted to kind of show you how I deep condition. So I have my little hair towel here, and I've had this for years. I don't even know where this is from. I think yeah, this is from Bon Bon Chevaux. This is great. This is like a cotton sweatshirt kind of material, so you can kind of just put it on your hair and it dries your hair. But right now I'm just kind of using it on top of these plastic caps, and underneath I have the product in, and I just have it all clipped up. So I've been deep conditioning for about an hour. I've noticed that my hair has been dry lately. Normally I will deep condition and then just you know, shave or do whatever else in the shower, so I'll just leave it on 5 minutes and rinse it out. But today I decided to deep condition for a little bit of a longer time, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse the conditioner out that I've had it for about an hour already on my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna get into styling my hair. Alright guys, so I am done rinsing out the deep conditioner, and so I'm gonna start styling my hair. So I'm going to be using several products on my hair. I'm going to take it out of this little towel that I had on my hair, and it is feeling nice and soft. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my rat tail comb. I'm going to put my part in my hair. Normally when I wear my hair in perm rods, I really like a side part, and not too deep of a side part. Okay. Now I'm gonna now that's parted, I'm going to put in the R & Co Centerpiece All-in-One Elixir Spray. This is a little sample that I got that I want to try. It's like a leave-in conditioner for your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in. I like to focus on my ends when it comes to conditioning and doing leave-in conditioners. So now I'm going to take, actually I'm just going to go ahead and start putting the perm rods in, and then I'll go section by section putting in the product. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the smaller side. I'm going to put this side of my hair up, and I'm going to work with this side of my hair. I'm going to further part this into 2 sections. I'm going to take a duckbill clip, and I'm just going to put the front section out of the way. So I'm going to work with this section. I'm going to put in the Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curling Defining Detangler. This smells really good. It smells like grape candy. Then I'm going to put in a tiny bit of the Olaplex Bond Smoother. So this is the number 6 from Olaplex. I'm going to put a tiny, I actually probably should have put this all over my head in like one go, but it's okay. Put the rest on the back of my hand. I'm going to get my pack of Permrod. I'm going to open up my first pack. Alright, so to actually have this hold and be defined, I'm going to use the Beautiful Textures Curl Definer Mousse. I like to use mousse in my hair, especially when I'm putting it in a style that is going to be set, whether it's like a braid out or perm rods or flexi rods. I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And then I'm going to put a tiny bit of the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Shine and Hold Control Glue for that extra bit of hold. You don't need a lot of that stuff because it is really powerful. Okay. And then I'll just put a tiny bit of my Straight from Eden Repair or oil on. I always like to end with an oil, it's just me. And I'm going to start to take small sections. And my hair is already detangled, so I normally wouldn't comb through it at all with a comb or anything, but it's already detangled and I really want my hair to turn out smooth. So I'm going to start with the perm rods and start to just put these on. Done with putting the perm rods in. So basically I have this in for like 24 hours, so I'll take it out tomorrow. The only thing with this sleeping is really difficult because these are hard. It can be a little challenging to kind of sleep on, but you know, I'll tie them up at night and then it should be fine. I'm going to take a little bit of this shine spray from Evo and I'm going to just spray, and yeah, I'm gonna let it dry and we'll see how these curls come out. you so much for watching my video, guys. Please don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to know when all of my videos are uploaded. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.